Oh, I got one. Oh, it's big.
All right, guys, we're here. It's about 45 degrees outside, 8:30 a.m. We just drove around forever, trying to find a spot to access this river. I don't fish this river very often. Found a spot, so hopefully we get on some fish. Should be some big wild trout, big stocked trout, maybe even a big smaller. But I'm just rigging up my fly rod here, and we are gonna hit the water.
Alrighty, fellas. It's interesting. Haven't been down here in a minute. We had to move locations. You see the free lures? You can literally get a free trout magnet. Oh, well, that sign just has a bunch of lures and it says take one. It gets really juicy upstream. And I already feel that I have a little hole in the back of my boot and it's very uncomfy. What the hell? I can feel water leaking in my right boot now. Is it good? Damn it, you positive it was a fish? It was right on that bank, huh? All right, this one should do better. Tied it myself. Don't remember what you call this, but it caught me fish this spring, so maybe it'll catch me fish this fall. There always seems to be a bucket load of fish stacked here, so they gotta be somewhere. I know this leaf just messed me up big time. It just like twirled in my line. Oh, look at that. Is that a wild? Yeah, look at that. It's a wild brown. Here, let me get it out. Alrighty, guys, look at that. Beautiful wild brown trout there. Caught it on a spinner in that fast moving water. That's pretty cool. Let's get a release on that big boy. Oh, there he goes. Sheesh. For a wild brown, that was not bad. For a wild fish. You seem so surprised when you hooked into one. You're like, oh my God, I got a fish. Yeah.
And I felt like a little something, I didn't have anything. And then like my line just like I'm in the water, so I put my line all the way back there. So I was just trying to reel it back, and once I reeled it back, I just had a fish on the spot.
Yeah, that's funny. That was like a tourist train. There's so many people filming, so I started waving. I don't know if I've ever fished this one. Doesn't look horrible. I think I'll be doing a good amount of fly fishing this winter. So hopefully some of you guys enjoy watching it. I want to do ice fishing. I want to get some ice fishing videos out. It just all depends if I can ice fish. Depends if it freezes over. If not, the best kind of choice for winter would be fly fishing. where I'm from. Dude, actually. Oh, what is that?
Oh yeah, I think it is.
It's a what?
It's wild.
I'll tell you what, they don't stock fish that small. Another freaking wild. Oh, dude. Yeah, we gotta show him off. That is a beautiful wild brown. They're in here. It's really cool. You wanna release him? Bye-bye. You were snagged, weren't you?
I was, and then I like took this money and got it out, and then I started.
Oh, I got one. Oh, it's big. I think it's a really nice wild. It's not very big, but like, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's a nice wild brown, dude. That's a real nice wild brown. Come here, buddy. Let me get him upstream for me. Oh my God. I can't, bro. There we go. Look at that. Dude, that is an awesome wild brown trout. Whoa. All right, guys, hold up. I gotta get this buddy here. Look at this beautiful freaking wild. Sheesh. That's a real nice fish. I'd say probably a 10-inch, 11, 12 maybe. Wild brown. That is beautiful. It's pretty freaking awesome, dude. All right, now my hands are cold. Bro, I was literally going to recast and he was just on there. That was surprising. I think I'm doing something right. It's probably my PB wild. I don't think I've ever caught a wild brown that big. Bro, every time I've been here, we've never caught a wild out of the main thing here. We've caught stockies, but a wild out of the main river, no. No. Holy, that was a cast. Oh, I just had a big hit there. Oh my God, that fish wanted it. All right, where are the 20-inch wild browns at? I don't know why I came in this club with you, girl. Bro, is this the Polar Express? Holy. At first it was funny, and then it was awkward. People were just staring at me while I'm sitting here. Like, I know. I was gonna start shaking my booty, but I didn't. These fish are definitely turned off after that. They ain't biting. Actually, they're probably used to it. I have to get that. So I'm sorry if I ruin your hole. I think I just missed one because there was a tree above me when I set the hook. Walking through here with a 9-foot rod and it's on. I don't really know if this is just brook trout in here or Are those browns as well? Oh, I had one, or I had something. I don't know what that was. Got one. That's a fish, dude. No, it came off. That was... Damn, it didn't feel horrible for a creek of this size either. Ah. I guess there was only about one fish willing to eat in that hole. I don't know. I really want to know if there's browns up in here. It means I have to catch a fish. Can't lose the fish that I catch. Let's go left because I've had fish on. Alright, that was a decent little trip. I caught one really nice one. Brother caught two decent wild browns. No stockies, all wild browns. I like wild browns better than stockies. I just wish I could have gotten some bigger wilds, but it's whatever. Caught some fish, lost some fish, explored new water. I haven't fished this creek in over a year, so pretty cool. I've never caught a wild out of this creek, so it's even cooler. So yeah, fun times, man. We're gonna hit up some, I'm not even in the camera. We're gonna hit up some food, enjoy the rest of the evening.